guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. First question, how do you get around offers to likers? Then you have to drop another 10% and discount shipping. I asked people to make an offer. No one, and I mean no one does. Why? Okay, so yeah. Offers to likers can get tricky. If you send an offer and nobody accepts that offer, then the next time you send an offer, it does have to be 10% lower than the previous offer. So that can get tricky, especially if you have, you know, super affordable items. I don't really use offers to likers anymore. What I do to get around the 10% and to get around the discounted shipping is I add stuff to bundles. So if somebody likes something, even if it's just one thing, depending on the item, I will add it to a bundle and then I will send them an offer through the bundle. You don't have to add a shipping discount on bundles, which is good. So that's a way to get around it. As far as why no one's making an offer, you know, I don't know. It could be many reasons. But yeah, like I said, I don't really use offers to likers too much. For the past, like, I would say probably 2 months or so, I've just been adding things to bundles and I've had great success doing that. So maybe try that. And next question, I haven't asked a quick question. What app or program do you use to track your sales and inventory to be prepared for taxes? I know it's early, but I just started selling Poshmark and I don't want to make mistakes, especially with taxes. So I use Google Sheets. It's super simple. It's super convenient too because I can do it from my computer or from my phone. You know, if I'm like out somewhere and I sell something, I can immediately record it in my Google Sheets. Yeah, that's what I use. It's been working well for me. I was using QuickBooks Self-Employed and I got that free because I did my taxes through TurboTax, but I like Google Sheets a lot better. It's just a lot more convenient to use and it's free. Next question, love your videos. Oh, thank you. I look forward to watching them and learning so much from you. Oh, you're so sweet. My question is, I have a Mercari account and I sold an item. The buyer kept stating that she needed a specific item and I told her that it was as described. In the conversation, she kept repeating herself. So finally I contacted the company that made the product and they said, yes, the product did exactly as I described. After she received the product, in her review, she wrote that the seller had no idea what she sent, and yet she had to keep the product. I contacted Mercari, to which they were of no help at all. I have taken down everything from Mercari because I'm tired of being scammed and lied to. Any advice? So if this is just a one-time thing that happened to you, I wouldn't sweat it. This person sounds like they're crazy, honestly. You are going to get people that just aren't happy no matter what. The fact that Mercari wasn't any help, that doesn't really surprise me, honestly. Not really a big fan of Mercari. I've had some issues with Mercari myself. And if this was a one-time thing that has happened to you, I mean, you've already taken all your stuff down from Mercari. So I was going to say I would give them another chance. But if multiple things like this have happened, then just come to Poshmark. Okay, and I just wanted to read this comment from someone because I get a lot of comments, especially on Instagram, where people are like, you're stealing from the poor, like talking about going to thrift stores and like Goodwill and stuff. It's like, it's not for people that can afford it. You're taking advantage of them. Like, I don't know how many times I've heard that. And a lot of you guys have heard it too because you guys have commented saying like, how do I reply to this? And this person commented on one of my previous videos and I just wanted to read it because this is good. So they said, thrifting is more than just finding good deals or saving money. It's deeper than that. It's called supporting sustainable fashion, where people would rather support the person that's selling it instead of the company. Love that. Love that. In the past week or so, I've gotten a couple of DMs on Instagram and people were like flipping out on me like, who do you think you are, shopping at Goodwill and then turning around and making a profit? I'm like, who the fuck do you think you are? First of all, coming at me like that. Like, yeah, just wanted to throw that little comment in there because I thought that was very helpful. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.